Here's where you can go to find the Android system intelligence and clear out data that your phone have learned over the past hours, days, weeks, and all time. To find this feature, use the quick access and go into the main settings by tapping on this toggle right here. Once in this section here, you'll have to search for it. If you type it in there, it will not show up. So you'll have to go down and look for security and privacy right here. As you're here now, go down and you'll go down past all this and you'll see where it says more security and privacy. So tap on that one time. And now that you're in this section here, you'll go down some more until you see it, Android System Intelligence. And this is where you'll find it. You'll see device learning, and you want to go ahead into the clear data section if there is a part that you want to clear out. So you can choose to clear out the last hour, last 24 hours, or all time. Now just keep in mind, once you do this, this cannot be reversed. So just choose the time wisely and go ahead and clear the data, okay? So like I said.